Hello everyone. So I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to study about the chapter food, which is in your first chapter of science. Okay. So let's begin the chapter. So first of all, you just see the chapter 1. Okay, now everyone got to know about the chapter. So let's begin the chapter. So before you should begin the chapter, you just take out one copy so that if anything I write, you just notice it and write in your copy. Now, the food is a basic necessity of all living things. It provides energy to do work. It helps in the growth of the body. It repairs worn-out cells. What is the meaning of worn-out cells? Cells which are drying up. That means which are drying, like our nails, like a finger, means fingernails, which we are cutting, but it is growing continuously. So these are the things with the help of cells we are getting. So these cells, this repaired worn-out cells, with the help of only food only it is repairing. Now next, it gives strength to the body to protect itself from diseases. Food is a fuel for the body. Like a car cannot run without petrol, living things cannot survive for long without food. It is not only necessary for humans but also for plants and animals. So food is not only important for us, food is also important for plants and animals, because they also cannot survive without food like human being. Now, variety of food, there are a lot of varieties of foods are there. So we must read the next topic. Variety of food, we eat different types of food like eggs and bread for breakfast, rice, dal, chapati, vegetables, fish and fruits for lunch and dinner. Each meal consists of different food items. You should go to the next page. There is one activity. You must complete this activity. Whatever you are taking on breakfast, whatever you are taking on lunch, and whatever you are taking on dinner, you must write on that. It is as a homework for you all. And the next topic is ingredients of food. Your mother cooks different dishes for you. To prepare them, she uses different food materials. Many food items that you eat contain more than 2 materials. Food materials that are used to prepare a dish are called ingredients. What are the ingredients? Now, if you ask me what is ingredients, ingredient means to prepare a dish, what are the materials we need? Suppose we are making rice. We are making rice. So what do we need? Water, rice, and we have to boil it. Then you have to finish it. We have to cook it. So, for what are the purpose? Then what is the materials we need? We need the water. Then we can prepare the rice. So next, dal. What is the for example, the dal you eat consists of pulses, water, salt, oil, and spices. Kheer is prepared using rice, milk, and sugar. Kheer, when you are preparing kheer, that time you have to use what? Rice, milk, and sugar. So what are that? Say they are the materials we need for it to prepare a dish. So they are the ingredients. Various types of dishes can be prepared by cooking same ingredients in different ways. For example, wheat, flour, and sugar can be used to prepare biscuits as well as halwa. Now here, there is one activity 2 is there. This is also as a homework for you, because these are the food items. It is there in one bracket. It is there food items: roti, idli, vegetable curry, sandwich, and boiled rice. So ingredients is here. You have to write the ingredients. So what you have to make the roti, what with the help of what we are making roti, that you have to write here. With what we are preparing idli, that you have to write over here. So vegetable curry, what you are preparing for the vegetable curry, that you have to write over here. So these two things, this activity 1 and activity 2 will be your homework. Is it clear for you everyone? So up to this, today only this much, and next class you have to, so your homework you must write it down. Homework page science, page number 2, activity 1 and activity 2. This will be your homework for you all. Is it clear for you? Okay, for today only this much. Next class we'll continue the chapter. Thank you very much.